Vậy con đang có bên dưới đây nè. Vậy con đang xài cái
Bên
điện.
này nó thẳng bên này luôn đây. Tới bên kia.
Thẳng chưa?
Cái này nó khoan xong rồi giật lên nữa, đừng có quay ngược trở lại.
Thẳng chưa?
Rồi, tăng đi. Đừng có quay để gì kéo lên luôn.
Cứ qua đâu kéo nổi.
Hút thổi luôn lên đâu.
Thì sao muốn tôi dít khác hả?
Rồi sâu quá.
Sao ấy nhớ sửa băng keo lại. Alright, we're installing a Acorn stairlift, and we got some 1/4 inch screws that we got from Home Depot. It looks like this, Tapcon. 1/4 is the size, 1/3 is how deep it is, and so they recommend that you drill to the size of the screw. It does add another 1/4 inch in there. And then, then you can use these screws. I think this is like a number 3, maybe. We bought this is for $6 from Home Depot, Tapcon. And so they're called carbine tipped concrete drill. Drill bit size is 3/16, 4/16 for use with a 1/4 inch Tapcon. So these are about $6, and the whole pack of 24 screws is $10, $11. And then we got a hammer drill there. We got a hammer drill and then an impact driver. And then we got a vacuum cleaner to suck out every time we do. And then that's how we're going to install this. And then if we want, we can take another bracket from here, and then we can put it in there and have 3 brackets if we want to. Add some black stoppers here, and then transfer the charging to over here, and then we're all set. All right, thanks for watching.